Oh, hey, ushushu kamnandi eDurban. The city with no winter, iTheku. As you can see behind me here, the historical Maharani Hotel and Elangeni Hotel. Sasidla ngolala ke kule hotel uyibona yapha ngasemva namakhosi. Xa sizodlala eDurban, then we changed to Umhlanga, and otherwise yayilikhaya lethu eliya la hotel uyibona phaya ngasemva ngenzuku zamakhosi. Njengoba besenditshilo ke silapha eDurban no SABC Sport, ngoba abakwa Hollywood Bets bazizo i-partners zethu kwinkqubo zethu ezemidlalo kwi-radio stations zethu zonke nje apha e-SABC, kusukela kwezi zethu ezithetha ilwimi zethu, Umhlobo Wenene FM, Ukhozi FM, Kwekwezi FM, Mongana Lonene, Ligwalagwala FM, Thobela FM, Motsweding FM, zonke nje i-radio stations zethu ezithetha ilwimi zethu, ndawonye no Metro FM, no Radio 2000, no SAFM. Silapha sonke ke size kusabela kuba uHollywood Bets esibizile ezokukhupha le announcement enkulu kangaka abayenzayo, bathi inezithuba zemisebenzi eziphaya kuma-6,000 abantu abasebenza kwezi projects ze-horse racing. iDurban July le izabe inge weekend yokuqala apha kuJuly, la weekend ye 5-6 July. All right, so and then ke ngoku later on ehlotyeni xa ilihlobo eKapa, ngoba iKapa alinayo i-weather entle kangaka, so iKapa ke liyanyanzeleka into yokokuba lona xa kuyiwa eKenilworth ehlotyeni, then ke senjenjeya ukulandela uHollywood Bets thina bezemidlalo ku SABC Sport. Bakhona ke nabanye ke abasasazi bezemidlalo abalapha namhlanje sawuthi ethubeni pha sikhe sithi ukuncokola nabo. Let's show you them people, them TV presenters and producers that are here. Live, boy. Yeah. Ungathi nje.
Ungamameli yonke lento ibithethwa.
Sukumame. Tamameli yonke lento ithethwa apha.
Singesi.
Truth be told, this hotel remains still one of the signature buildings at Durban. Le? Ah. Le?
Ihotela lamakhosi.
Please.
Oh, ihlala la. Ayahlala.
Please.
Ah, dala.
Dala. Then from here to Mhlanga. The Protea there.
Baqala nomshini emhlanga.
Exactly.
Ukuthi when we go to the lane holiday in lapha. Marine Parade.
Ah, wena.
Ayisahamba no hard.
Siphethe amavokovo.
Everyone hear me?
Hey,
Okay, well, look at this way. We can only go up from here. So, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for everyone for being here. Honestly, if something had to go wrong, let's be honest, that's probably the worst of it, and we can only get better. But look at this weather. Look at Durban. Look at really showing off. We've got beautiful sand, beautiful ocean, beautiful people. and most importantly, beautiful horses. And yeah, no, just absolutely fantastic to see them here today. Thank you to Louis Goosen for all your efforts in getting here. We've got 4 young apprentices on there. We've got Mbuto, JC, Dazan, and Petra. Just absolutely amazing to have them here, and they're looking absolutely fantastic. And that's why we're here today. It's about the horses and horse racing, and yeah, it's fantastic to be here today at the Bay of Plenty, because yeah, there's plenty going to be happening. And for everyone who's made the effort to come here from across the country, and for those who came through from Summerfelt after the holidays, some hard running training, thank you. And yeah, because today is important. This is a historic moment. The horse racing in South Africa as KZN and Western Cape unite under a single banner, which will now be known as Race Coast. So a big round of applause for Race Coast, please. Today, we aren't just uniting 2 provinces. We are igniting a movement that is going to redefine the future of horse racing in South Africa. And we thank the Competition Commission and the KZN Economic Regulator for supporting this vision. And your trust gives us the mandate now to move boldly. So with the Hollywood Group now owning both Cape Racing and Gold Circle, this next exciting new chapter will allow us to consolidate and align strategies between the 2 racing jurisdictions, pooling resources and pursuing a shared vision for the future of our sport.